I'm Chef Jeff, and welcome to the brand new Garlic Clove Italian Eatery. We've just celebrated our 5 years in business, and we moved into a brand new space just a half a mile down the road from our old location here at Eagle Point next to Ace Hardware. We've got bigger space. We've got a couple of banquet rooms for private parties, which we weren't able to offer before. We've got authentic Italian cuisine. We're open every day for lunch and dinner. We have a soup and salad bar up every day, and we also offer a pizza and pasta buffet every Sunday from 11 to 2. So again, we're open every day for lunch and dinner, and I really look forward to serving you and inviting you into our brand new gorgeous space.